Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to upload a recording since you will be doing a few of those in my class. First of all, I'm just going to click on right here in this classroom. You'll have some in all the classrooms, whatever class you're looking at, but I'm just going to click into 6th grade choir. Okay. I'm going to go to student view so you can see what it looks like when you're viewing it. Alright, so it brings me home, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this right here. It's the sight reading level 1, and you're going to hit the submit button up here. Mine says resubmit because I've already submitted it, so yours will say submit assignment if you haven't done one yet. So click resubmit or submit, sorry, and then it'll say media. You're going to record or upload media, okay? So then once you do it, mine computer is only showing that I have a mic. Most of the Google Chrome books have actually a camera. Mine just has a mic, the computer I'm using today. So anyway, you're not going to see me, but it does the same thing. So I'm just going to click start recording, and once I record, I'm going to move my mouse back up here so I can see this. Okay. So I'm going to move this out of the way. All right, here we go. So once you get where you can see the rhythm and you've moved the recording page out of the way, then you can just start doing it. So I'm just going to give you an example. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm not going to finish. Okay, I'm going to scroll down, and once I am finished completely with my recording, then I click the finish button. Now after you click finish, you're just going to wait. You're going to give yourself a name. I'm going to label it Sight Reading Level 1 because that's where I'm at, number 1. And then I'm going to put my name. So I would like you to save your videos just like this so that you can keep track of them. Then once you click save, you need to wait. When it's finished, it'll automatically upload it for you. So just click save and wait. Some of yours will be a lot slower than that. When I submitted it at home, it was really slow, and it took almost a minute, I swear, to get it all the way uploaded. But be patient and don't keep clicking save. Just wait until it's done. When it's done, it says ready to submit. Click assignment button to finish. Now I'm going to put in some comments here. Done. You can write your name. You can write whatever you did. Just give me a comments, whatever you want to do right there. And click submit. Once you've clicked submit, it'll say submitting, and then voila, you are done. So this is how you have done it. And look over here, it says submitted. And it tells you what time, and then you can click on submission details, and it'll show you your content. It'll write what you wrote. It shows all of my submissions that I've already done. Okay, click here to view. If you want to click here, it says media is currently being converted. Please try again in a little bit. Okay. So that is how you do it. If we continue to have problems, then we'll find some other way of helping you do it. All right, guys, good luck trying it all out, and shoot me an email if something doesn't happen. Okay, thanks. Bye.